Art fundamentals, the basics of concept art, the bare bone essentials. What does that exactly comprise of?
Are you an aspired concept artist struggling to learn perspective by yourself? Are you an illustrator confused with what color to choose in your painting? Or maybe you're a professional looking to further improve on your foundation.
One of the main reasons why you might be feeling you're not progressing in your concept art might be because you're lacking one or more of these art fundamentals that we will share with you guys on our channel. We wish to provide a structured and complete set of bite-sized art fundamental videos for you guys with industry tips and tricks, demos, and even feedback sessions in the future to help you guys and guide you guys through it step by step.
Most people think drawing isn't talent, but I can tell you right now, everyone should be able to draw pretty well, as long as you understand and practice this art fundamental.
So when I was studying in concept art school, Kingston would always say this in our class: art fundamentals are like a switch. If you miss out one of them, the switch will never turn on, no matter how hard you try. And art fundamentals are based off of logic. It's kind of just like cracking a code to something. If you didn't know about it yesterday, but you learned it today, you implement it in your work tomorrow, you'll see immediate improvements. That's why we'll explain certain keywords and industry methods for you guys and break them down into simple checklists so you can refer back to them no matter where you are on your art journey.
On this channel, I will share with everyone the full art fundamental checklist, started with these 4 main values. First, art value, all types of drawing, painting fundamental, lighting, and composition in art. Second, design values, elements to create good design, problem solving, why people get hooked by a certain design like creature, character, or environment. Third, production values, topics, the contents that people care about, production care about. Fourth, entertainment value, how to create story, excitement, making your art connect with your viewer.
That's amazing. I'm sure you have a lot of knowledge to share with us.
I believe so. Tonya, would you like to share with us some of your beginner struggle experience?
For sure. So hi guys, my name is Tonya and I started studying at FZD, which is a concept art school. Before that, I literally had zero knowledge of any sort of like solid art fundamentals. And like a lot of you guys, I think, I was just, going on YouTube, searching up random tutorials and being like completely overwhelmed by the internet. But after watching Feng's Design Cinema YouTube, it really sparked my interest to try and pursue concept art as a profession. And that's why I went to FZD. And while attending the classes that Kingston and Feng taught there, I learned all the basics. I learned perspective, proportion, line weight, composition, value systems, color theory, and all this stuff. It helped me improve in my art. And of course, I'm still a junior concept artist. I have heaps to learn and improve on, but just knowing that these types of ideas exist, it really opens up this third eye and allows you to become aware of these things when you look at artworks.
Yeah, I'm sure the struggle is common among beginner artists. And we understand the pain of feeling like something is not quite right with your artwork. You just can't figure
out what's wrong.
And you're not alone.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really true. So, Kingston, can you tell us a bit more about your experience in the concept art industry?
Yeah, sure. I'm Kingston and I have been working in the entertainment industry. First, I work as a 3D modeler and concept artist in movies and games. Then I work as an art director for 14 years in
At
Concept
FZD?
Design School, FZD School of Design. I've spent countless hours reviewing the entire course curriculum, break it down to small topics. I break the topics to keywords. The student will
Remember them easily.
Yes. I know it may sound cheesy, but I want to leave all this knowledge for my daughter to learn when she grows up, as well as our future generation of artists. Oh, I forgot to mention, while I'm not teaching or working in the industry, I also tattooing.
Oh yeah.
And Tonya is my first apprentice. Yeah.
Maybe if you guys are interested, we can do some tattoo related videos in the future.
Sure.
I've actually realized that a lot of the art fundamentals I learned in concept art school translate to the designs that I do with tattooing. So it's like an all-encompassing type of foundation that's really useful.
I learned tattoo too. Yeah, let us know what you think in the comments. We would love to know your suggestion. What kind of video you want to watch. Making all this video is not easy for me. I'm not good at talk in front of camera. Please bear with me. I will do my best. This channel will also provide the opportunity for everyone who want to learn art but cannot afford to expensive art school. Yeah, let's come and learn together.
Yeah, for sure. That was our little channel intro. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to follow us at our next video, which is Mastering Proportion in Drawing, where we will share some useful tips in the initial kind of sketching phase. So please feel free to like and subscribe. That will really help us out, and click on the bell icon if you guys want to keep up with our future videos. Also, we have a Discord channel that will be linked below. You guys can introduce yourselves, tell us about your creative endeavors. We'd love to get to know you guys. And yeah, looking forward to exploring the art world and concept art world.
Yeah, if you want to learn how to draw with your left brain, please follow us.
Yeah. Anyway, see you guys.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.